Home Remedies presents. Apply this oil into your nostrils to get rid of sinusitis instantly. You will thank me for this. Sinus infections happen when fluid builds up in the air-filled pockets in the face, sinuses, which allows germs to grow. Mustard oil or sarson tel is famous for its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Its external as well as internal usage is said to help in multiple ways to fight against infections, nasal infections, sinus, sinusitis, various allergies like dust, allergy, and several digestive tract infections. Very effective treatment for blocked nose or say stuffy nose. Now I will tell you how to use this remedy. Number 1. Steaming. You can try adding some mustard oil to boiling water and inhale the steam before you hit the bed. Number 2. Direct application. Warm some mustard oil and directly apply 1 to 2 drops into the nostril to get relief from the nasal blockage or dryness in the nose. If you are not allergic to garlic, you can take few garlic cloves in mustard oil and simmer it on low flame for 1 minute. Strain the oil and you can take 2 to 3 drops of the oil in your nostril. It will be of immediate relief, and it is a great Ayurvedic medicine. If you suffer from sinus, don't forget to try this remedy. Mustard oil is generally safe and well tolerated by the majority of the population, but should be avoided if you suffer from ulcers or other digestive complaints. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.